legacy.
Last time when I met you, I spoke to you about how a film can be shot at 24 frames per second. I hope that got you curious. But not all film is shot at 24 frames per second. The old Charlie Chaplin movies that you like, those are shot at 16 frames per second. An action sequence, well, that's shot at 60 frames per second up to 120 frames per second. And if you're shooting, filming, broadcasting, live sport, well, that's done at 300 frames per second. Why? Because don't you love the slow motion videos? Cool, isn't it? Hi, you already know me. I'm Andrew Barreto, professor here at the Department of English, Parvati Bai Chogle College of Arts and Science. And today I'm going to be discussing my learning methodologies and evaluation systems for my course, Film Studies. I already gave you a hint in the last video when I told you that we learn by doing. So when you join my course, you will learn by doing. I don't lecture very often. In fact, I lecture very little. But I give you a lot of work that will ensure that you understand all the concepts that you will be coming across in film studies. So what will you be doing? After the initial classes where I will be discussing key terms and key concepts along with work based on them, you will be heading the class. You will pick a movie of your choice based on genre, a time period, and you will generate discussion on that. Again, the whole goal being that you should be able to break apart the movie intelligently and critically. So, what is the point of all these presentations? Well, all our learning takes place during these discussions that the film generates. So remember the definition that I had given you in the last video about the narrative, the cultural aspect, the political implications? Well, the discussions that are generated from these presentations will take care of all the learning there. Therefore, it is imperative for the student to be an active learner in class. Not only will you be presenting, but you will also be going through a lot of tutorials. Why is this important? Because you need to learn the practical aspects of filmmaking as well. So on one side, you'll be learning the theory, how to critically evaluate a film, what goes into making of a film, but then you'll also take that material and then you'll have to apply it somewhere. And that's where the tutorials come in. And don't worry, all this, the presentations, the tutorials, all the work that you put in is being counted to your final score. I have a 60-40 breakup for this course. That is 60% continuous assessment and 40% final assessment. 60% assessment is all this work that you're doing. And I repeat it again, all of it. The final 40% semester end evaluation will be divided into two things. One, a term paper, and two, a final short film that you will be shooting for me. Students really enjoy this aspect of my course, and I hope you enjoy it too. Some frequently asked questions about my course. One, do I provide all the books and reference materials required? Yes, I do. Don't worry about that. I heavily use my learning management system, that is Google Classroom, and I will share with you all the books that are required, of course, through ebook format. Another question that is asked, so what about the equipment? Don't worry about this. I will teach you how to use your smartphone and things that you have readily available with you to shoot your movies, to shoot your sequences, to learn about lighting, to learn about everything that we are going to be dealing with in this course. So really, don't worry about it. Still another question, but sir, we are not really technical. We do not know the editing process. Yep, I know that. Therefore, I will be having a tutorial about editing, at least basic editing. And like I said, you can create a video just like this with the basic editing tool. And by the way, I'm shooting all of this with my smartphone. So I think I've covered all the basics. And if you have any other questions, you can always email me at asb002@chogles.ac.in. I hope that this video kind of gave you a sense of what you're going to encounter when you do take up film studies as an elective course. Here's wishing you a great learning experience. I'm Andrew Barreto, and thanks for watching.